So with that said, I want to recognize one more person before Brian comes up. Where's Brian, by the way?
Over here.
Hey, Brian, come on up. And while Brian is making his way out here, he's been geeking out, since Vancouver. I'm going to read all that. But where is Christian DeCarlos? Christian, who is right there, worked with Adobe. He's been an awesome partner for us. I think that he's really the reason how we all met and started doing PhoneGap and all these really cool things that we're doing in HTML5. So thank you, Christian DeCarlos, who's standing right there with Adobe. I'm going to quickly read your bio. So you've been actually really geeking out since you actually moved here from Vancouver.
Yes.
Because of PhoneGap acquisition, which got bought by Adobe, I think a year.
Adobe got bought by Adobe.
Oh.
The company got bought by Adobe. Yeah.
You started drinking already. All right. So tell us about PhoneGap.
I'm gonna go down here. It's weird to stand on stage. So, how you guys doing? I won't take very long. Don't worry. I'm not gonna do any bullshit with this. So PhoneGap's got two goals. Who here's heard of PhoneGap? Just so I know what I'm dealing with. All right, so half of you heard of it, the rest of you don't care. You just hear it pretty good. That's fine. That's why I'm here too. No, I'm just kidding. So we got two goals in the PhoneGap project. The first goal we have in that project is we believe the web is the platform. So we believe in the web as a platform. And right now the web is a shitty platform. It's got problems. And PhoneGap is trying to address those with things like device APIs and better tooling. So that's our first goal. And our second goal is to cease to exist. And this is usually very problematic for people. They don't like it, and especially executives hate this. They think it's crazy. Why would you have a nihilistic goal? But open technology is designed to deprecate itself. And all good developers are always looking for ways to implement the future. So this is our goal with PhoneGap. And we're also, because we believe in the web as a platform, we believe in browsers. And so we believe PhoneGap is actually just a stopgap. It's a polyfill. It's a momentary thing, and it's an implementation for web browsers, and that's really it. And so, there's three reasons to use PhoneGap. The first reason is if you want to participate in App Store distribution. Whether or not App Store distribution makes sense or not is not what I'm here to talk about, but we can talk about it over beers if we want. Second reason to use PhoneGap is if you want a sane offline experience. If you're doing offline on the web today, you have to use something called a cache manifest. This great speaker, his name is Jake Archibald, is to talk about the cache manifest. His thesis is that the cache manifest is a douchebag. And he's right. So PhoneGap gives you sane offline capabilities. And then sort of the final thing is that we give you access to device APIs. And this is where Dolphin kind of ties in. This helps us lead into our mission of what we want to see happen with PhoneGap. If the web's going to be a first-class platform, it has to have access to the first-class APIs that native APIs have on the device. Dolphin's giving you this kind of avenue to do this sort of thing, and this is exactly what we wanted to see when we started developing PhoneGap. And so we're stoked. This is happening, and glad to be here.
Thank you.
Yeah. Want to talk about PhoneGap?